The role of recovery efforts in restoring communities affected by emergencies and disasters. Emergencies and disasters can strike at any time, leaving communities devastated and in need of recovery efforts to restore their lives. The role of recovery efforts in restoring communities affected by emergencies and disasters is crucial in helping them get back on their feet. Recovery efforts involve a range of activities aimed at rebuilding infrastructure, restoring essential services, providing relief to affected individuals and families, and supporting the local economy. These efforts are often carried out by government agencies, non-governmental organizations, NGOs, volunteers, and other stakeholders. One of the primary goals of recovery efforts is to provide immediate relief to those affected by emergencies and disasters. This includes providing food, shelter, medical care, and other basic necessities to those who have lost everything. Recovery efforts also aim to rebuild damaged infrastructure such as roads, bridges, buildings, and utilities like water supply systems. Another important aspect of recovery efforts is the provision of mental health support for those affected by emergencies or disasters. This includes counseling services for individuals who have experienced trauma or loss due to the disaster. The role of community involvement cannot be overstated in recovery efforts. Communities play a critical role in identifying their needs during the recovery process. They can also help with cleanup operations after a disaster strikes. In conclusion, the role of recovery efforts cannot be underestimated when it comes to restoring communities affected by emergencies or disasters. These efforts are essential in helping people get back on their feet after experiencing significant losses due to natural calamities or man-made crises. It is important that all stakeholders work together towards this goal so that communities can recover as quickly as possible from these devastating events.